So what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why NEO stock is down so much and some other major NEO news. So NEO is down $3.16 or 5.24%, and it's down over $3.20 pre-market or over 5.60%. So it's down about 11% in 2 days. And so there are a few reasons for this. The first reason is it looks like everyone in the stock market is looking at Gamestop and AMC, and they're probably selling some of their shares in different companies just to buy these two, which is one of the reasons why these stocks are rallying so much. So it seems like everyone in the stock market right now wants to buy AMC, GameStop, Nokia, BlackBerry, and that has to do with Wallstreet bets because they did buy a huge sum and that led to a short squeeze. So people are probably selling shares of NEO to buy these companies. Another reason is the whole market is down, and that is because of something the Fed said. And again, everyone was watching the short squeeze and they want to sell their shares to buy these two companies, which is why the whole market and NEO included is down. Now let's talk a little bit why NEO is down pre-market. So this actually has to do with Tesla. So Tesla actually reported its earnings yesterday, and basically they reported good earnings report, but they did miss out on earnings per share, and investors got worried about their margins. So if Tesla falls, the whole EV market falls, and that includes NEO. And now people are worried that NEO might also miss on its revenue or earnings. But what you have to understand is right now people are looking at whether Tesla can be profitable and whether it could justify its valuation based on earnings. But with NEO, what people are looking for, investors are looking for, is with revenue growth. And it looks like there'll be analyst expectations because they've been beating car deliveries almost every single month. Like in December, they were expected to do 6,500 low deliveries or 7,000 on a high delivery scale. However, they did 7,300, so I think they'll definitely beat revenue expectations. And so with NEO falling, it really doesn't have to do anything with the company or the stock itself. It has to do with other factors like Tesla, the huge short squeeze that's happening, and how everyone is just watching that instead of these other companies. So in a sense, the huge short squeeze happening with GameStop and AMC and Wallstreet bets did change the market in the short-term outlook. And this could be a good thing in the long term because NEO is trading at a very high premium. So when you are paying this type of premium for a stock, when it does dip, you want to take advantage of it. And it might dip even further depending on how the short squeeze goes. Like brokerages are starting to halt trading for AMC and GameStop, so that can have a huge effect on the market. And so NEO is a long-term play. Be patient. NEO is just starting when it comes to revenue growth, and they have a lot of potential in them. Like their growth is just starting. They've delivered their first vehicle in 2018, and so it's only been 3 years when they've been in operations. And from here, we really don't know what NEO can expand to. There are rumors that they might start a mass market car in the next 4 or 5 years, which can also add a lot of revenue. But now let's talk about some other major NEO news. So we already know that NEO is entering the European market, and they're entering Germany and Norway first, and we know that because of the amount of jobs they open in both those locations. So based on that, I'm assuming they're going to start their operations very soon. And these are two huge markets because they're already very green and they're trying to go full carbon free in the next 5 to 10 years. But there's also an article in Dutch that came out very recently that said NEO will also enter the Netherlands. And so apparently this article says that NEO might enter this market in the next 6 months, which also means they might enter the other European markets like Norway and Germany in the next 6 months as well. And this can be a huge catalyst for NEO because one, they'll have to start taking pre-orders for Europe, and that'll create a lot of hype, which might boost the stock price. But also Wallstreet isn't really expecting them to expand into Europe this year, and if they do, that means they could beat their delivery estimates very easily. Now I'm not too sure how likely it is for them to start operations in Europe in 2021, but there is a chance. And I think it is important for NEO to expand as fast as possible because the transition to electric vehicles is happening right now. So I think it's important for NEO to take advantage of the opportunity they have. So I just want to say again, this dip is just a quick short-term fluctuation. You know, stocks don't only go up, so please do not panic sell. But keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. And with that being said, this was just a quick NEO update. And if you guys did enjoy the video, please do leave a like and subscribe. Also comment down below what videos you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.